Induction March. I've attended the live lectures for about a month now, and I'm very happy with the lectures. The faculty is very helpful, very knowledgeable, and they teach extremely well. Their website is easy to use, has practice questions, and has all the lectures already recorded.
I always say, first thing first, what are you accustomed to when you're in med school right now or you're studying? Are you studying based on subjects? Are you studying based on organ systems?
I needed someone to guide me on what to study. I needed someone to solve my doubts. I need someone to tell me that just study or you're gonna fail. There is a well-known fact. You can never score or assess yourselves. Meaning, you can never devise a test for your own. Give that test, score good, and assume that you are a genius. Don't everyone need a person who can tell you what you actually are honestly? So with this idea, I joined Moksh. I had no references for it, no idea on how it is actually, as I had no one amongst my known ones who were enrolled with Moksh before. To be in literal words, I joined Moksh by total trust, and bingo, I got what all I needed. With Moksh, first tension which every student has is relieved, which is validity of any program. Like you go for any program, there is a validity, right? 6 months, 2 months, 3 months, 1 year. I like the concept of no time limits for the courses that Moksh offers. With this, I get a feeling that I ain't giving the USMLE as my coaching will end, but the coaching will end because I will clear the USMLE. Another thing about Moksh which I like is its coaching faculties. Great people, they are the best at what they teach, do care about each and every student, and duly answer even the smallest questions asked. Also, the lectures get uploaded on the LMS so that in case I missed any, I can always see it on LMS the next day. By joining Moksh, I found a path. It never mattered. Remember, it never mattered on what they taught. What always mattered was how they taught. What always mattered is they actually led you to the path to success. Anyone can read a book and learn things. You don't need a coaching for that. But you need a coaching to show you the correct path.
What I would say in summary is that it's a long but rewarding journey, but everyone should really, make a decision for themselves. I think it's a very personalized and individualized decision as to whether or not you want to do USMLE, and there will be obstacles. There may be things that do not work out and things may take longer than you expected. But, if this is what you think you want to do and work in the United States, and, you've got to be prepared for some sacrifices that your family is going to make on a daily basis, and you realize this a few years down the road, things are not the same because you're in a different time zone, and that really is a big obstacle because you have only one day off, and with the time zone, it's very difficult, to be able to sometimes even talk to your family for weeks, and take care of things that are urgent. So, everyone really needs to take all of that into consideration, and not just focus on one aspect of this journey. It's certainly doable. It takes a lot of work, but if you're motivated and you put your efforts into this, I think everyone is able to finally get what they want.
Pages, groups, Telegram groups, YouTube channels, so that आप interact कर सकें. ऐसा ना हो कि student को लगे कि कोई faculty आए चले गए and then what to do now. So we are there with the Moksh team to help you, to guide you throughout the whole path, क्योंकि path बहुत लंबा है.
Hi, I'm Abhishek Patil and I'm in first year MBBS preparing for USMLE and aiming to get residency in US. For this I was searching for various coaching programs and I came across Moksh. Found it suitable because of its flexible timing and systematic schedule and also its expert faculty. In subject like anatomy, I liked Dr. Dhruv Revenue because in anatomy I am able to quickly grasp the topics because of his teaching method. Also, in subjects like histology and anatomy, I am able to correlate with the lectures going in the MOOCs program and on the ongoing lectures in my college. With this, I can definitely say that MOOCs coaching program will be helpful for me to achieve my goal.
तो अगेन मैं स्टूडेंट्स को बोलना चाहूंगा कि सी वॉट एवर और पीपल अराउंड यू थिंक मे नॉट बी ऑलवेज राइट फॉर यू. आपको जिंदगी में क्या करना है, व्हाट इज योर लाइकिंग, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ लाइफस्टाइल यू फील दैट will suit you for entire life. That is the kind of life you have to choose. And every single decision, I would say, ये जो डिसीजन होते हैं 12th के बाद कौन सा स्ट्रीम चूज करना है या फिर MBBS के बाद कौन सी सीट लेनी है, these are the life changing decisions and these are the decisions you have to be very careful. यहाँ पे एक गलती आपके लिए पूरा आपका लाइफ का डायरेक्शन चेंज कर सकती है. So you have to be very careful selecting that stream, selecting that postgraduate seat, because whatever lifestyle you're going to have is going to be dependent on that one decision. I don't want to, burden you with the thoughts that it's going to be a very tricky decision, but at the same time, I want to tell you that be thoughtful, think over it, think what kind of lifestyle you want to live in your life, and then take a decision rather than thinking of what my parents want, what my siblings want, or what kind of peer pressure I have. Don't think about it. Think of what kind of lifestyle you want to live in your life.
Personally, as a student, I was not much aware of this examination, but thanks to Chirag sir, now we know briefly about what the USMLE examination exactly is. It consists of 3 parts, which is step 1, step 2 CSCK, and step 3 examination. He also told us briefly about the economic factors and the options which we have.
We're moving on to kind of a total different subject relative to the brainstem, and that's going to be looking at some of the functions, circuitry, and structure relative to the 8th cranial nerve.
My future goals are definitely to give USMLE step 1 and I hope it all goes well. And basically all of us are really scared about the Indian system, and we with no quota, we really feel that we are not going to make it through NEET, PG or next, because nothing's sure about what's happening in India. So I think today's session was definitely a relief for all of us. It was very motivating. I do feel that I may be able to nail USMLE step 1 if I start right from now.
Recently, I have joined Moksh coaching program and I feel that it is very reliable, consistent and competitive. I hope this course will help me to get through all the medical competitive exams easily and comfortably. Moksh has a really good set of experienced doctors who share their experiences and add values to the students.
Now, I would talk about like how is MOOCs better than our regular medical school teachers, and to advance on about it, I would like to say that in most teaching program we can have better experience in the fields as there are experienced teachers, and regular classes also helps a lot. And the benefits of MOOCs teaching program are like that. If I'm in a subject which I am weak, I could regularly ask about my doubts and questions directly to the teacher, and I would not feel shy about it. Like it's an online teaching program, one-sided way, and also regular classes also helps me out a lot in advancing about the particular subject.
I sign up for the MOOCs coaching program because it is one of the best options to study for the entrance along with the university, and it inspires me to study hard always. If I am talking about the end of the course, I am totally believe on the MOOCs program because I'm studying in the international university where you becomes lazy when you see others. Students here at the end of the course, I know that I will be surely successful. When I was attending the first class, I am seriously confused that how online system works. But in the starting 3 to 4 classes, I literally enjoying the classes. I like most important things of the program is timing because balancing the university and the MOOCs coaching is impossible for me at one end. But when we discuss this thing with the MOOCs coaching program, then next day the schedule will be changed. I recommend this course to all my friends who are thinking of studying internationally because you make your stand only with the coaching platform, not only from the university. I do not want to comment on the favorite faculty because I can't differentiate them because they all are superb in their subjects. Each faculty has their own experiences, ways to interact with the students, and I love everyone's way.
Hello, this is Dr. Stephen Doherty. I'll be online doing live lectures along with a cadre of other excellent faculty, helping students prepare for USMLE while in India.
So it's very important to be very serious about taking the exam, like we said before, and make sure that you're focused on doing your best score possible every time you take, especially the first time, and hope that will not require a second time.